Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Sony Xperia 5.4. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, choose Allow or Don't Allow in the pop-up. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now in this window, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now do exactly the same on the other smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow, OK. Finally, choose Receive at the bottom of your Sony and Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now click on all of those dots from all of those categories and hit Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. If you see this kind of pop-up, choose whatever you wish to and click on Close this window. Then select the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Sony, then choosing while using or only this time and pointing your camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here as well and tap on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!